If you like crafts, do-it-yourself projects, and life hacks, you can find this and more ideas here on your channel, our channel, JuanTu3. Find bracelets, cell phone holders, origami, life hacks, and hundreds of projects and ideas to give, learn, and share with your friends, family, or couple. So subscribe and be part of this great community that grows day by day, so that we can share together what we like and are passionate about. Then I wish you so many successes, and I hope you see you soon.